Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers in Excel. Let's get started. To begin, it's essential to understand that Excel offers various methods for multiplication, including more advanced ones. However, we'll focus on the fundamental and easy way to multiply two numbers in a table. For our demonstration, we'll use this table to illustrate how to calculate what we need step by step. You'll find numbers listed in columns X and Y. Using a simple formula, we'll multiply them and the result will be displayed in column Z. First, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Let's choose cell Z2 for our initial calculation. Now locate the equal sign and press it. This signals to Excel that we intend to input the formula in the cell. Next, click on the cell that contains the first number to be multiplied. In this case, it's cell X2. After selecting the cell, you'll notice that another part of the formula appears after the equal sign. It's the cell reference X2. Now we need to insert the symbol for the mathematical operation we want to perform, which in this case is an asterisk, representing multiplication in Excel. After that, click on the cell containing the multiplier, which is Y2. In summary, you've instructed Excel to multiply the number in cell X2 by the number in cell Y2. Press Enter, and you're done. The result is instantly calculated and displayed. You can follow similar steps to perform addition, subtraction, or even division in Excel. Separate tutorials can provide more detailed instructions for these operations. But that's not all. Here's a useful little tip just for you. If you need to multiply the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we just created, which is cell Z2. Hover your cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Then use a left click to drag the formula down through the remaining rows. That's it. Well done. You've successfully multiplied the numbers in all 3 rows. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.